People's behaviour in an emergency is difficult to predict. Human instincts are sometimes counterintuitive. The best way to boost the chances for survival is training with a self-rescuer to develop learned behaviour. Even a reliable self-rescuer might become useless if users are not skilled enough in donning and breathing procedures. Most self-rescuers for miners have a chemical oxygen cartridge. Oxygen is generated through a chemical reaction, which results in a breathable solution that differs in taste and quality from fresh air. And the users should not only be aware of this, but also should experience what it is like to breathe this solution. DeZega training equipment provides this opportunity and reduces the risk a user will fail to don and breathe in a self-rescuer because of unfamiliarity or panic. DeZega Trainer C is a training self-rescuer. The user can practice carrying, donning and breathing in belt-worn self-rescuers. A reusable case can hold 3 different cartridges for 3 types of training. Using either the default reusable imitator cartridge or the disposable oxygen generating cartridges, users can exercise donning the self-rescuer and walking, running or crawling with it. Both the disposable 15-minute and the 30-minute training kits allow users to fully experience the specific features of breathing in a self-rescuer. The increased temperature of inhaled air, the humidity and unusual taste, what it feels like to breathe air with higher oxygen content, and as well, how the case heats up with use. The disposable 30-minute training kit also features an anti-static breathing bag to practice donning and escape in underground conditions. In all cases, users will be able to practice donning and moving in a self-rescuer, including running and crawling. Consult the user manual for a full description and technical data on the DeZega Trainer C. The procedure for donning Trainer C, as well as all other DeZega self-rescuers, is identical to that of a real self-rescuer. Rotate the self-rescuer on the waist belt to the front. Tear off the lid and throw it aside. Put on the neck strap. Pull up the heat and moisture exchanger, straighten the breathing hose and breathing bag. Put the mouthpiece into your mouth and place the nose clip on your nose. Unclip the self-rescuer from the waist belt. Fasten the self-rescuer case around your chest with the chest straps and adjust their length. Plastic rim will detach. Put on the protective goggles. Adjust the length of the neck strap if necessary. Warming of the self-rescuer case and an increased temperature of inhaled air are indication that the self-rescuer is working as it should. To use the DeZega Trainer C again, you must first repack it. Remove the imitator or regenerative cartridge from the reusable case of the DeZega Trainer C. Dispose of it in accordance with appropriate national, state or local regulations. Take a new disposable breathing kit from the package. Take your time. Make sure the breathing system stays in its initial position. Following the yellow lines on the cartridge and inside the case, insert the kit into the case. Connect the cord to the starter split pin. Move the protective sleeve back over the pin so that it covers the hook next to the cap. Secure the position of the breathing system. Put the chest strap over the breathing system and fold the neck strap on the top. Fix the goggles. Cover the breathing system with the heat shield and install the plastic rim. Put the lid on top and press down, leaving an opening of 5 to 10 millimetres. Then reinstall the belt loops into the case gutters and insert the keys. There may be two different keys, one to secure the belt loops horizontally, the other vertically. Secure the lid with the coupling straps. Close all fasteners and remove the keys. Finally, replace the rubber cover plate at the top.